guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a really long time since I've made a video, but here I am. I'm actually really excited to make a YouTube video, and I've really wanted to make more videos. I literally say this every video, but I don't know why I haven't been feeling in the mood. But anyways, I did purchase something and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. So it is an item from Louis Vuitton and I'm really excited for it. I did buy it used from a luxury goods reseller in Canada. The store is called Modicel and they are out of Vancouver. So I have been stalking Modicel's website and Instagram for maybe, I don't know, 5 years. I'm not even joking. And I've just never bought anything. And I've actually seen a lot of really good items on their website and such, but I've just never pulled the trigger. I don't know why. But I was kind of feeling in the mood, and this is a smaller item and it's something that I can use and it's cute and it's limited edition kind of thing. So I figured, hey, why not get it? Hang on. I am drinking matcha. This has been my new thing lately. I'm obsessed. I just bought my own matcha. I kept going to Starbucks to get it, but it's so expensive, $6 every single time I go, which is insane. And I've been making, so I just went and bought almond milk. And so this is almond milk. I was doing regular milk before, but at the rate I'm consuming these matcha lattes, I feel like I can't be drinking that much dairy. It's a lot of dairy. So this is almond milk and it's so good. Okay, let's open the box. So I actually started opening this box in my car today after I picked it up from my mailbox. But I realized I didn't have scissors and they taped it really, really good. So, oh my gosh, it's insane. This package, they really, really tape it securely. So you don't have to worry. Nobody is getting into your package. Yeah, I already went at it a bit with the key, so it's kind of open, but it was just becoming so extreme that I figured I need to go home and get scissors because it's a really small item and they actually put it in quite a big box. Look how big this box is. I just feel I don't know, I just felt in the mood to buy something overpriced. You know what I mean? You know what I think it is with buying luxury items? Is we know they're ridiculously overpriced, but that's what makes us excited to own it and have it. And I don't know, I just felt I needed a little joy in my life, so I was whatever, I'm gonna buy this. Oh, they package very nicely. So this is how it comes. This is a lot like Fashion File, I feel like. So they give you a thank you card, Modicel, authentic luxury, Modicel.com. This is an amazing website. I actually don't even like that I'm telling people about it because it's really good. The receipt. Okay. I like how they have their own branded tissue paper. That's a really nice touch. So this item unfortunately did not come with its original box or dust bag, so they do put it in a Modicel dust bag, which is fine. It's fine. I felt the price of this item was really good. I'll tell you guys the price after I show you what it is. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Ah! I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. So it's this little card case or key case, really. It's a key pouch. And hang on. Oh, it must have the thing inside. Doesn't it have? Yes. Okay, it comes with this, with the chain. I love it. So this is the, they call it the Louis Vuitton Pavone Epi Tribal Mask Key Pouch. The reason I wanted this, okay, well, first off, I think it's like really cute. I love the colors. I love how it's pink. I just think it's like really cool and different, right? I like how it has this because I can attach my key to this, but then I can keep like cards in here and some cash, so I could use it as a wallet. Sorry, I keep coughing. Yeah, like the hardware, everything looks really, really beautiful. Let me see if this comes clear. So you can see the condition. The only wear I think is like right here. There's a little bit of wear on that corner, which is bound to happen, right? Look how nice the hardware is. It's gleaming, super shiny. Oh my gosh, I don't know what is going on. It's literally since I started drinking the almond milk. I love this, and I like how this is a bit bigger size because like the key clays, why can't I talk? The key clays are quite a bit smaller, I think. I think they're shorter than this, and I think they're like this, right? So this is an amazing size. Like, I love this so much. People can see me. Right where I live, there's like a street that comes at our front window, basically. So like all the cars, when they turn, they stop, and I can like see them looking at me and then through the window, and then I have like my ring light, so I feel very on display. Okay, so I got this for such an amazing deal. It was actually on their website originally for $425, and then they discounted it, and that's when I bought it. So what did I pay? And I think they took like $100 off. It was a really good deal. What did I pay? I think all in all with taxes and everything, I believe I paid like $360 something. So I think that they discounted it $100. I think they discounted it to $325. So that's like an amazing deal, right? It's really, really good. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is like brand new. I guarantee the reason why the person sold it is because they noticed this starting to wear, and they're just like, okay, like I don't want this item, because that is so, it's going to wear, like there's just no way around it. But isn't this so beautiful? It is just like the perfect color combos, very vibrant, beautiful. I absolutely love it with the silver. I gotta cut this off. So just hang on. Okay, the main reason I bought it is because I was trying to be cheap and get a card case for business cards. And so I ordered this case from AliExpress, and it's just like pleather, and I cannot stand the synthetic feel of it. It's driving me insane. Although I like the concept of it because it's like very roomy, it makes me cringe. I can't stand it. So what I really wanted to do is have a really cute card case for business cards. If you guys didn't know, I make my own jewelry. You can check out my website. It is Solvita. Solvita collection. I make really nice gemstone jewelry. Check it out. So I like this pouch for the fact, like, look how big this is. See, there's lots of extra room. This is great. It's just a great little catch-all. You could put your credit cards in here, your cash, attach your key. It's really all you need. You could probably get away with shoving a lipstick in here. I'm gonna see actually. Okay, I got a lipstick, and I really want to tell you guys about this lipstick too because I'm wearing it. This light is really okay. That's what I look like. This is more natural light. Do you see this lipstick? So what it is, it's actually very sheer. It's a lip balm, and it's by the brand Liz Wautier, which is a Canadian brand. If you live in Canada, you know about Liz Wautier. So it's called the Universal Lip Balm, and it's a very sheer color, but it just has a little bit of pink in it, which I really, really like. It just gives me a little bit of color on my face, and I think it looks great. So I really wanted to talk about this. Anyways, let's try to put it in the key case. I think the lighting is so much better now, and I love how this is in silver. It's just really pretty. I really want to mention too, Another reason why I chose this and not like any typical item from Louis Vuitton is because I'm just not in the mood for the monogram right now. Like I feel like it's too flashy, and I want things in my collection that are nice and different, and things that like I genuinely am buying because I like that aesthetic, not just because it's like Louis Vuitton all over it. You know what I mean? And so this really like hit the mark. I just think it's so cute. Okay, so this is what it's like with some cards in it and the lipstick. I actually can do it up, but it does start to warp it, which I don't like, so I definitely would not do this. Yeah. I mean, it's nice because like you can fit something. You have to remember too, this is actually it's a longer lipstick, so it's for sure warping it more. Like if you had something the size of a chapstick, which would be like up to here, that would definitely fit a lot better and not mess with the card case. Okay, so I guess that wraps it up for my video. I don't really have much else to talk about except for just showing you guys how beautiful this is. Like, look how cute. I just love this color, this pink. It's a beautiful pink. Oh my goodness. I want to know what color pink this is. This must be Pavone. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful color. I would love a bag in this color. This is stunning. Yay! So tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment, say hi. I would love to hear from you. It's been a long time. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!